Hi crafters, it's Sarah here. Welcome to another Craftsuprint weekly giveaway. Thank you for tuning in this week. Having our YouTube channel means that we get lots of new users coming to the site, which is great. Before we get on to this week's freebie, I'd like to show you a short video of how to open a support ticket with us here at HQ. I'm sure it will help both new users and existing users. So enjoy! I do hope you found that video useful. Before I show you this week's freebie, let me show you this beautiful card sent in by our exclusive designer, Cynthia Massey. This card is called Face Painting Birthday Decoupage. Cynthia has mounted this decoupage elements onto this white card, punched holes on the edges. She's threaded a ribbon, as you can see, through the edges there, added some glossy accents and some ribbon, coloured ribbon going from the balloons there into the hole punches to keep them in place. Look at the embellishments there on the girls' pigtails. How cute is that? My favourite part has got to be the mini face paint crayons there. How cute are they? How she thinks of them, I don't know. Your card is absolutely amazing, Cynthia. Thank you, they really are. The cup number for this decoupage sheet is cup 966051_3367. And Cynthia also has a matching insert, which is cup 966052_3367. I'll just see if I can get you a copy of that inside, look. Can you see? Just to finish the card off. That is absolutely stunning. What a great card for a birthday and even a birthday party invitation. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, on to this week's giveaway. This week we have a lovely little 3D pop-up card by Ann-Marie Vaux. Let me show you this little stunner. It's only little, but how cute is this? Inside, look. What a surprise. You can see something secret inside. Let me just see if I can show you up closer. Just bear with me, look. Can you see that, the way the 3D is there? What a surprise. She's got lips. Look, little lips. My princess jewels. Absolutely beautiful. This one has been embellished to perfection with a mini makeup brush, as you can see there, jewelled hearts and jewelled pink and silver bow. There, look, diva. I love the punch that has been used on the edge in there. It looks really, really modern, don't you think? I think it's fabulous. Let me show you the sheet. This makes the beautiful mini card. Yes, you can see all of the elements are on just the one sheet. The cup number for this is cup 176917_10. Make sure you download this week, otherwise it will be available at the full price of 80p. I'm going to hand you over to Ann-Marie now, who will show you how to make this cute little card. Over to you, Ann-Marie.
Hello, my name's Ann-Marie Vaux and I'm a designer with Craftsuprint.com. Today I'd like to show you how to make my new mini 3D pop-up cards. I have quite a few different styles available, and today we're going to be looking at how to make the giraffe 3D pop-up card. This is the sheet that we'll be using today. You can see any of my designs by going to www.craftsuprint.com/Ann-Marie Vaux. The cup number for this is cup 176917_10. The tools that you're going to need to be able to make the 3D minis: you're going to need adhesive or tape. I'm using tape just for quickness, scissors, an embossing tool, and something to be able to enable you to make an embossing folded line. I'm personally using my cutting board because it secures the card under the flip and it holds it in place for me. Once you've printed off your sheet, you're going to see that there's actually only 4 elements on the sheet. There's the outer card, there's the inner pop-up section, there's a label, and then the design. I've also included basic instructions on the sheet. However, there is a full photo tutorial that will be available on the website and in the forum. So we're going to start off and we're going to cut out all the elements that are in the sheet. And to save a little bit of time, I've already done this. So we've got the folded card, we've got the inner, we've got the design and the little label. I'm going to start off by taking the folded card, the outer section, and I'm going to use my embossing tool, slide it in. I'm just going to turn it round so that I can see, and we're literally going to score down and to be able to give it a nice neat fold like so. So that's the outer of the card. We're going to take the inner of the card that has actually got not only the fold line down the middle, but it's got the guidelines that we're going to make little snips and the actual guidelines to make a fold. So it sounds quite complicated, but trust me, it isn't. We're going to make one score line down the centre as if we're making a folded card, and then on the 2 dotted lines at either side we're going to just score those, run the scoring tool along those like so, and on the other side like so. Take that out, put them block to one side. Now where we've made the scoring line down the middle, we're going to fold the card like so, as if we're making a normal folded card, and then we're going to take our scissors and we're going to snip along the line, the guideline, like so, and at the other side like so. Once you've done that, open your card out like this, and from underneath you're just going to push the middle section out, and as you fold the inner together like so, you'll end up with the little pop-up section in the middle. So you're going to turn that over and put some tape on the back like so. You're also going to decide which edge you want to go in the folded, if you want the giraffe pattern at the bottom or the pink at the bottom. I kind of like the giraffe at the bottom, so I'm going to use that. And then you're going to take a tiny little bit of tape or adhesive and you're going to put it just on this section of the pop-up, like so, just there. Okay, so now we're going to take our section, take the tape backing off, make sure we've got the card the right way around, and we're going to slot the middle into the card like so. So that's what you end up with. Got the card and the pop-up. Now where we put the adhesive on here, we can take the backing off and we can put our little design up to the edge, squeeze it together, fold the card just to make sure the adhesive's taken, and then the label we can literally put in position like that, and there we have a finished card. Mini pop-up.
Thanks for that, Ann-Marie. You did a great job of showing us all how to make this week's freebie. I'm signing off now, but I will be back next week for another episode of our weekly giveaway show. Please make sure you comment on our videos, both on Facebook and YouTube. I love seeing your feedback. See you next week, crafters, and don't forget, yes, you guessed it, share, share, share. Share, share, share. Bye!